Okay, let's go back to the admin.py file and register this model. Oh, there's a little red thing here. My linter. Okay. Let's go to the admin.py file in the app. App is theta_image. Let's register the model. You first need to import that specific class. So the syntax is from .models because it's the models file is in the same directory that the admin.py file is. So on the left-hand column of VS Code, you can see your files. Models.py is in the same directory as admin.py. So from admin.py, it's .models import. This is the name of the class, theta_image or theta image. So in models, I call the class theta image. From admin.py, you import theta image. And now you have access to theta image, and you can just register it. So it's admin.site.register. Since we just created a model, we're going to need to run migrate again. So from the directory where you have the manage.py file, let's run make migrations. It detected that there's a new model theta image. So Python manage.py make migrations, and it should have registered a new class or a new model theta image. Then you migrate it. Let's run the server again. I'll go back to the admin panel and refresh it. You now have your new app here, theta_image. So on the app that you created at the beginning of the tutorial with the start app command, it's now registered in the admin interface. So you can now add a new file. Right now, you don't need to use the official Rico Theta images. You could just test it with any image. Save it. So currently, the listing will show different objects. We're going to fix this in the future, but you now have an image here. This directory is not registered, so you won't actually be able to see the image right now. We'll fix that too. The main point here is that it gives you a taste of creating your own admin interface so that you and your staff can upload pictures or images, text and other things using some type of interface, and it makes it much more scalable to update your site. So once you've loaded up all the images into the database, you can then use a loop within your home page to call up all the contents of the database or whatever contents you want. We now have two images, two image objects in the admin interface. So it's pretty cool. You've started off with a brand new Django project. You've created an app. You've set up the routes of the app to get to it. And you've also created a database model. It's being stored in an SQL database. You have an ability to upload images and text. There's a bunch of user roles that you can also create right now, even at this stage, to give your staff ability to access the different interfaces. But right now, the site's not finished, so there's no need to create a whole bunch of users for your staff. Let's try to improve our model here and make better use of the admin interface so we can access those images.